uh, what is dharma? That was our point. What is dharma? What do you say? Anyone? धर्म, अगर कोई पूछेगा आप धार्मिक हो, तिलक वगैरह लगाते हो, मंदिर में जाते हो, धार्मिक लगते हो, टीका लगाते हो, what would be your answer? Connecting to God. Dharma means connecting to God. Okay, very good. Means implicitly that means without God there is no dharma. If somebody says I will find my own way of dharma without minus God, can we accept it as dharma? That you are saying in your definition. Okay. Yes? Belief in God. Okay. That is why I follow dharma. Okay. Rules and regulations. Okay, very good. Dharma means rules and regulations.
How the human should behave, or it has a lots of dimension. So means अभी जो हम देख रहे हैं, it's like rituals. It is a part of that particular dharma, but it has a.
In itself, it cannot be complete dharma.
Now ये the kind of गुरु शिष्य परंपरा जैसे चलती है, it is just like a revolving time by time. So basically we cannot until and unless we understand from the guru we cannot.
Correct. So you are getting my point. Defining anything, a basic thing also, sometimes within our heart we have some idea which is bona fide, which is good idea. May not be bona fide also many times, but thorough knowledge, dharma. Anybody? Okay, you are talking about Varna and Ashram based dharma. Oh, perfect, very good, very nice answer. In fact, it is very much related to that.
But that is based upon the karma.
Right. So they are also basis of karma to be done next. It's a systematic social body, social structure, how it should be. It is dharma of social structure of human beings. How it should be defined. Very good.
Manifestation of good things which are eternally true.
My God, wonderful. Good, very good definition. Eternally good thing is called dharma. Yat shreyasya nishchitam bhuvi. What is eternally beneficial for me? That is dharma. Very wonderful definition. In fact, you hit it right. Yes. Anybody else has anything? Somebody says, ये मूर्ति पूजा वगैरह क्या है? ये क्या धर्म है क्या? It is also dharma. So it can encompass a lot of things. So actually the broadest definition of dharma is dharmam tu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Means whatever is verdict of God is called dharma. So if God says you cheat, it becomes dharma. So whatever is good, if some scriptures say cheating is not good, but Krishna says you cheat now, in this circumstance you cheat, then it becomes dharma. So dharma rests on Supreme Personality of Godhead. You said God. So God, whatever He speaks is dharma. Yes, Prabhuji. Dharma, yes. There are many definitions like Srila Prabhupada gives analogy of, he says what is inseparable from the being is called dharma. It is not property. It is eternal nature. Eternal nature is called dharma. So Srila Prabhupada gives example, water. Dharma of water is to flow. If you separate that property from the water, then it becomes ice. It is no more water. Chili is pungent, hot and pungent. So it is dharma of chili. Sugar is sweet. Yes, it's eternal nature. There is a definition in Bhagavad Gita, I am trying to recollect.
I gave you the
Swabhavo adhyatmam uchyate. Swabhav.
This is the Adhyatmic Vedantic
Definition. Swabhavo adhyatmam uchyate. The Srila Prabhupada's translation says, eternal nature of living being is called dharma. It is his eternal nature is dharma. Similarly, dharma of living being is to serve. Simple. It is to serve. So the living entity may serve his own senses. Can somebody say that I am not serving? Anyone?
not possible.
Not possible. It cannot be separated. We are serving. Even if we are sleeping, we are serving our body. We are giving rest to it. So serving is dharma. Yes.
Even not serving is a serving.
Yes.
Is there a difference between word dharma and dharma?
No, not really. Yes, yes.
Because I have heard people saying dharma means religion, but they are like, it's not religion, it means duty. So
नहीं, dharma encompasses what is to be done and what is not to be done. So there is association of duty with dharma, there is association of ritual with dharma, there is association of knowledge with dharma, there is association of nature with dharma. So dharma has all these things, where there is association of faith system with dharma. So all these are there, dharma. So dharmam tu sakshat bhagavat pranitam is a very simple way of looking at it. Dharmaraj Yudhishthir was told to lie. Do you know that?
Yes.
Narova Kunjarova. Ashwathama is killed, but he softly spoke, I don't know whether it is Ashwathama elephant or Ashwathama man, your son. Deliberately. And it is said that Yudhishthir was Dharmaraj and he was like a devata, demigod, and his feet were, I heard this, his feet were never touching ground. When celestial beings, Devi Devata, when they come, they do not touch the ground, it is said. But after that, his feet came down and touched the earth. So it's a big sacrifice. he followed truthfulness, satya as his dharma throughout his life. Never lied. But Krishna tested him whether he is following for the name's sake truthfulness or eternally beneficial truthfulness, which is verdict of God himself. Because Krishna says, Dyutam chalayatam aham, Dyutam chalayatam asmi. छल कपट करने वालों में द्यूत क्रीड़ा मैं हूं. Gambling, if ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते तांस तथैव भजाम्यहम. If a living being tries to cheat God, God will cheat him like anything. So dharma is not merely cheating or not cheating. Dharma is whether you are acting according to the instructions of God or not. So you can cheat if Krishna wants you to cheat. That is dharma. That is where dynamism comes. Because ultimate nyaya can be done by a person who knows everything. Now if you keep on harping truthfulness, it is said if you want to save somebody's life, like a cow is there and a butcher comes to you and asks where is that cow. If you tell where that cow has gone, he will go and butcher her. So to save her life, you can lie. But it has to be told by somebody. Scriptures say this, and scriptures are dharmam tu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. So, really speaking, dharmam is verdict of God. Here it is said, Navai vidur rushayo napi devaha. That dharma is not even completely, perfectly known by Rushayo, big rishis and munis and devaha, devi devata also. Na siddha mukhya asura manushyaha. No siddha, charana, gandharva, asura, even manushya. Nobody can actually define properly dharma. Only Lord Krishna, Sakshat Bhagavat Pranitam. Kuto nu vidyadhar charanadaya. Vidyadhar charana adi ka to kya bolna. And we saw in the Bhagavad Gita the topmost in device. What is the topmost religion or dharma? Yes, but within Sanatan Dharma also, what is topmost conception of dharma? We saw 4 stages. 4 stages of dharma. Out of fear,
out of greed, and out of love.
duty, and out of love. Love is topmost. Savai pumsam paro dharmo, topmost dharma. Savai pumsam paro dharmo yator bhakti hi adhokshaje ahituki apratihata yayatma suprasiddhati. So the topmost dharma is that by which one can love God. Love and serve God. Unconditional, uninterrupted, unmotivated. Yes. So that is